You can use your own money to grow, but if you want to grow faster, you have to learn how to get other people's money, manage it so that way you can exponentially grow your fire alarm business. So that's why we created the funding tool. We're going to show you how you can use other people's money, build up your personal credit, establish business credit, and then show you exactly what you should be doing once you get a loan so you can never default on a loan payment. So there are many ways you can get money into your business. And the first way you could actually get money to your business, especially if you have a good credit score, and that's with credit card stacking. If you have a business, you could apply for multiple credit cards from multiple banking institutions, depending if they check individual credit bureaus, so that way you could at least get yourself anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 per credit card. But the best way to actually get high limits is to walk into the branch. So if you don't know what type of funding that there is available for your business, there's micro loans, there's no doc loans, there's merchant cash advances, and there's credit cards, and there's also lines of credits. There's many ways you could actually get funding into your business, especially as startup, rather if you have bad credit or good credit. And lastly is learning how to use the loans you get to actually build your business so that way you don't default on a loan. You take the money to get more money, to pay back money, to get more money, so that way you can build your business. It sounds crazy, but inside the funding tool, we show you the strategies and steps that you could take once you get some money from a financial institution. So there are a lot of struggles when I started my business, even in my personal life, but I found that there are three main struggles that entrepreneurs face when it comes to either building a credit or even understanding credit. And that's, can I use my personal for my business credit? The short answer is yes, because in the beginning, the business doesn't even have any credit history. The business doesn't have a profile. The business can't even stand on its own too. So you, as the person who owns the business, you're going to have to guarantee credit in the beginning until you can build up your business to stand on its own. And the next thing is, do I qualify for funding? Yes, you qualify for funding as soon as you start your business. There are tier 1 through 4 type credit programs that we can show you to boost and build your credit as soon as you start your business. And lastly, my credit score is too low, so I may not be approved. In some cases, that is 100% true, but there are workarounds so that way we can show you how you can get some funding into your business, even if it's just $1,000. So I want you to download the one-page funding tool. I will leave a link in the description. This will keep you on track so that way you can know the types of fundings you can add to your business. And this is step number 9 inside of the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. You will need to take all 9 steps for you to fully understand how to start, operate, and grow a fire alarm company being taught by an actual fire alarm contractor. So if you're ready to take the next steps, I want you to click the link in my description. Let's jump on a call so we can see where you at, see how we can help you, and see if you're a good fit for the funding tools. I'll catch you on the other side.